In this video, I will show you how to set up your Google My Business profile so that your customers can easily find your business online. So let's get started. Google My Business is a free tool that lets you manage how your business appears on Google Search and Maps. If you want to make your business visible, let's get started. Step 1. Sign in to your Google account. Just start by signing in to your Google account. Make sure you have a Google account. If you don't have one, then you can easily create one for free. Once you are signed in, you can move to the next steps. Step number 2. Go to Google My Business. Go to Google My Business website or just search for Google My Business on Google. Click the link that leads you to the platform. This will start the process of setting up business profile. Step number 3. Enter your business name and choose correct category. Next, you will be prompted to enter your business name. Make sure it matches exactly how you want it to appear online. Select the category that best describes your business. This helps Google connect you with the right customers. Step number 4. Add your location. If your business has a physical location where customers can visit, select yes and enter your address. But if not, then select no and you can specify the service areas instead. Step number 5. Fill in contact details. Just add your phone number and website. This makes it easy for the potential customers to reach out or learn more about your business. Step number 6. Verify your business. Google needs to verify your business to ensure that it's legitimate. You can choose to receive a postcard by mail, phone call, or email to complete the verification process. Step number 7. Complete your profile. Once verified, you can fill out the rest of your profile. You can add your business hours, photos, and a short description. This is your chance to shine, so make it count. And that's it. Your Google My Business profile is set up and ready to help customers find you. Don't forget to keep your information up to date and respond to reviews to make the most of your online presence. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.